Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this video I'm going to work on pad and you will see that is so boomy and so out of this world. Why am I saying that? Check yourself. It is on the way of other audio materials and it's not on its own position and it's not sounding really good to my ears. So what I have done here is using an equalizer to cut some of those frequencies like boominess, extra sub on a pad, you're kidding me, and some of the boxiness in higher frequencies. After that I have enhanced the stereo field and I made this pad wider. So let's check in solo with this EQ. As you can hear, much cleaner, and it could have a better role to play in this mix now. So let's bypass and activate this equalizer and listen in the whole song. You already are hearing how the space is freed and the bass is audible much better. It's distinct, it's more distinct. This pad was on the way of the bass and much other materials like drums itself. And it would have a weird sound on speakers, on bigger speakers because of that boominess. So now we controlled those not musical audio qualities. Let's go check this enhancer, stereo enhancer. It is exactly in a place that I wanted to be. And now playing its role much better with adding reverbs or manipulating furthermore, it will not sound bad and it will go better. So the point and the conclusion of this video is we don't need much of a extra sub frequencies on materials like pads or guitars or vocals or whatever, because when we are boosting or even when we are adding harmonic saturation, those not controlled frequencies and left to be frequencies are going to be an issue. They are going to be enhanced, they are going to be stronger, so you are better off without them. That's why I saw it so important to record this video and talk to you about this matter. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.